Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Gap. Today we will study Chapter 6 Magic Sticks from Art and Activity Skill Book. Take out your white and green color book. Take out your white and green color book fast. These are the magic sticks of an angel. Angel कौन होते हैं? Who are angels? जो हमारी wish पूरी करते हैं. That means these are the magic sticks of an angel. Color them as shown. Color them as shown. Now take out your colors. Take out your colors. First, we do pink color. Take out your pink color. I don't have pink color. That's why I do blue color. But you have to take your pink color. Take out your pink colors and start doing with me. I'm taking yellow color, but you take your pink color. Slowly and neatly. I hope you all are doing slowly and neatly. Do it fast. Now take out your blue color. Take out your blue color. Means I have this color, but you have this, then take out this color. Okay? Blue or purple maybe. Then take out your color and start doing with me. Slowly and neatly. I hope you all are enjoying. Slowly and neatly. All of you have done this. Now take out your yellow color. Take out your yellow color and start doing a little star. Complete it fast. Now take out your orange color. Take out your orange color and start doing with me. Up and down, neatly and slowly. Complete it fast. Neatly and slowly, up and down. completed fast. What are these? These are magic sticks. I hope you all are enjoyed. Happy learning. See you soon. Bye bye.